Just before 4 o'clock, Knoxville Fire Department was dispatched to this location here at the corner of Cumberland and Nayland Drive. The call came in as a male stuck inside of a pipe. What we've got is about a 25 to 30-year-old Hispanic male stuck inside of about a 5-foot diameter pipe. What they're doing is they're drilling through a horizontal pipe, and they're creating a sewer. So they're bringing the dirt out with an auger. The man is tied up in that auger right now, so he is going to need some medical attention when he comes out.